Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to go to Hira Cave frequently to reflect and ponder. Quraish were fighting over who will put Hajar Al Aswad in its rightful place after the Kaaba was rebuilt. They all agreed that the first one who enters the Kaaba on the following day will do it. Next day, the first one to enter Kaaba was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, asked them for a mantle and put Hajar Al Aswad on it. He then asked them if each tribe should take a side and lift it together. He, peace be upon him, put Hajar Al Aswad in its rightful place with his own blessed hands. His age was 35 years at that time. The whole of Quraish were happy with the solution provided by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Leaders of Quraish used to call Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin, the most honest and trustworthy. Quraish were indulged in worshipping idols as gods at that time. Quraish noticed that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, never prostrate before idols. They even heard Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, saying that these idols are not God, and the sacred house of God, Kaaba, should not be violated with them.